13 signs your partner truly loves you, even if they don't always show it. It's always nice to know that you are loved and appreciated by your partner. However, sometimes it can be hard to tell if they really love you, especially when they don't always show it. That makes you wonder, do they really love me? Or what if they are just putting up with me because they have to? The good news is that even if your partner doesn't always show it, there are still ways to tell that they still truly love you. And after watching this video, you will know exactly what to look for. So, hit the like button, subscribe, and let's get started. Number 1. You are part of their social media. Believe it or not, social media nowadays plays a big role in our relationships. In fact, according to a recent survey, 1 in 4 couples say that social media has had a positive impact on their relationship. For example, if your partner regularly posts pictures of the two of you on their social media accounts or talks about you in their posts, it's a good sign that they love you. This is because they want their friends and family to know that you are important to them. Number 2. They include you when talking about the future. Another way to tell that your partner loves you is if they include you when talking about the future. This can be anything from discussing your plans for next weekend to talking about where you see yourselves in 5 or 10 years' time. If your partner regularly talks about future plans that involve you, it's a good sign that they see you as a permanent fixture in their life. It shows that they are planning on spending a lot more time with you and that they see a future with you. Number 3. They are emotionally intimate with you. There's a big difference between being physically intimate with someone and being emotionally intimate with them. Physical intimacy is important in a relationship, but emotional intimacy is what really makes a relationship special. If your partner is emotionally intimate with you, it means that they are comfortable sharing their deepest thoughts and feelings with you. They trust you enough to confide in you, and they see you as a true partner. Some signs that your partner is emotionally intimate with you include confiding in you about their worries and concerns, sharing their hopes and dreams with you, and being open and honest with you about their feelings. Number 4. They buy you thoughtful gifts. Do they always seem to know exactly what you want? Even if it's something small, like a favorite candy or a new book that you've been wanting to read, they always manage to get it for you. Or maybe they don't buy things for you very often, but when they do, it's always something that is really special and thoughtful. Either way, this is a good sign that they love you. It shows that they are always thinking about you and that they want to make you happy. They know what you like, and they take the time to get it for you. We all know that material things aren't the most important thing in a relationship, but it's still nice to know that your partner is thinking of you. Number 5. They try to make time for you. In today's busy world, it can be hard to find time for the people we love. We're all so busy with work, school, and other commitments that it's easy to let our relationships take a back seat. But if your partner is always trying their best to make time for you, even when they're super busy, it's a good sign that they love you. It means that they are willing to put aside their own plans in order to spend time with you. They value your relationship and want to make sure that it stays strong. Number 6. They defend you when others say bad things about you. We all have haters, but it's especially difficult when those haters are people close to us, like relatives or friends. If your partner is always quick to defend you when others say bad things about you, it's a sign that they love you. It means that they are willing to stand up for you, even when it's not easy. They know that not everyone is going to like you, but they don't care. They love you for who you are, and they will never accept someone else's negative opinion of you. Number 7. They make you feel good about yourself. One of the best things about being in a relationship is feeling like you can be yourself around your partner. If your partner loves you, they will make you feel good about yourself, even on bad days. They will build you up and make you feel like you can do anything. This is one of the most important things in a relationship. If you don't feel good about yourself, it's hard to be happy. But if your partner loves you and makes you feel good about yourself, it's easier to be happy and to enjoy your life together. Number 8. They try to solve problems with you, not against you. In any relationship, there are going to be problems. It's impossible to agree on everything all the time. But if your partner loves you, they will try to solve problems with you instead of against you. This doesn't mean that they will always agree with you, but it does mean that they will respect your opinion and want to find a compromise that works for both of you. They know that relationships are about give and take, and they are willing to do their part. For example, when an argument starts, they will try to talk to you about it instead of yelling at you or getting mad. They will want to find a way to solve the problem together. Number 9. When you need them, they are there for you. We all have times when we need someone to be there for us. Maybe you're going through a tough time at work or you're feeling sick. Whatever the situation is, if your partner loves you, they will be there for you. They will do whatever they can to help you and make you feel better. They may not be able to fix the problem, but they will be there for you and they will support you. This is one of the most important things in a relationship. Number 10. They are quick to forgive. Let's be honest, we all make mistakes. If your partner loves you, they will be quick to forgive you when you make a mistake. They know that no one is perfect and they are willing to overlook your faults. This doesn't mean that they will accept your bad behavior, but it does mean that they will be willing to forgive you if you apologize and promise to do better. They know that relationships are about second chances and they are willing to give you one. For example, if you say something that hurts their feelings, they will forgive you. They know that it was an honest mistake and they don't hold grudges. Number 11. They respect the relationship. This includes everything from being faithful to you to being honest with you. If your partner loves you, they will respect the relationship and they will do everything they can to protect it. For example, if they cheat on you, it's a sign that they don't respect you or the relationship. They are willing to risk everything for a moment of pleasure. But if they love you, they will be faithful to you, and they will never do anything to hurt you. They also respect you as a person. This means that they will never try to control you or make you do something that you don't want to do. They will always try to support your decisions, even if they don't agree with them. Number 12. They are jealous, but in a good way. Jealousy is a normal emotion, and it's actually a good thing in a relationship. It shows that your partner loves you and doesn't want to lose you. However, there is a difference between healthy jealousy and unhealthy jealousy. If your partner loves you, they will be jealous in a healthy way. This means that they will trust you and they will respect your privacy. They may get jealous if you talk to other people, but they will trust you and know that you love them. On the other hand, if they are jealous in an unhealthy way, it means that they don't trust you and are always trying to control you. This is not a good sign. Number 13. They make you a priority in their life. Even when your partner doesn't say "I love you," they will show it in their actions. If they truly love you, they will make you a priority in their life. This means that they will always try to spend time with you and they will always be there for you when you need them. They know that relationships take work and they are willing to put in the effort. In a recent study, researchers found that people who make their partner a priority in their lives are more likely to have a happy and lasting relationship. And this goes, of course, both ways. Conclusion. There you have it, 13 signs that your partner loves you, even if they don't always show it. Just because your partner doesn't say "I love you" all the time doesn't mean that they don't love you. Sometimes, people are just not good at expressing their emotions, or they are having a tough time. But if they do most of the things on this list, it's a good sign that they truly love you. Finally, for you ladies, if you think understanding men is hard, then you should definitely learn how to trigger their hero instinct. The best way to learn about this amazing psychology is by checking out the first link in the description right now. It's a powerful psychology guide that will teach you exactly how to make a man fall in love with you using reverse male psychology. To learn more, check out our other videos that you see on the screen right now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.